You are a digital nomad living in Brazil and love the freedom of being able to work wherever you want. But now you want to take a step further. Bring your loved ones closer, your partner, your children, your family. But where do you start? What visas are available? What documents are required? That's where our expertise comes in. Amorim is an international law firm specialized in global mobility. We help digital nomads and expats navigate migration processes safely, clearly, and with legal support. So, what are the main solutions for bringing your family to Brazil? 1. Resident permit for family reunion. If you already have a valid visa in Brazil, such as the Digital Nomad visa, you can apply for a residence permit for your spouse, partner, minor children, or dependents. This permit guarantees similar rights to yours, including legal residence and the possibility of work. 2. Recognition of stable union or foreign marriage. It is not always necessary to be officially married. If you live in a stable union with your partner, we can help legally recognize this union in Brazil, including with foreign documentation. 3. Children and dependents. Children under 18 years old or older who are financial dependents can obtain residence linked to your visa. Documents such as certificate, certified translations, and registration documents must be prepared correctly. 4. Digital Nomad visa extended to family members. In some cases, family members may be included on the same application or in parallel applications directly linked to the Digital Nomad visa. And why hire our specialized lawyers? Because each case is unique and we offer personalized legal assistance, strategic planning based on your nationality and immigration status, complete document preparation, sworn translations and consular registrations, and support until obtaining family residency. Schedule a free meeting with our expert lawyers now and avoid rejections, delays, and headaches. With the right legal guidance, your family or partner can be in Brazil with you sooner than you think.